How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch the most precise bottoms in the stock market, and I want to show you guys exactly how I do that with my unique system that I have developed for over 6 years to make me consistently profitable month after month and do this full time. And before I get straight into the meat and potatoes and the ticker I'm going to talk about, I have a premium Discord for only $6 a month. And like I said, these are the best trades you will find. And I have my exact trade alerts where I show you exactly my entries and exits to make a lot of money. And I'll put this link down below into the YouTube comments below. What I want to talk about is a ticker I haven't talked about in a while, and that is MULN. MULN. And I've been seeing people hate this stock, but honestly, it's been one of my best tickers for penny stocks that has made me thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. And even though, yes, I agree, it is a scam penny stock, and it just freaking blows. Let me go over the system and how many trades I did on this thing, and have a recap and where do I think it's going to go again. So the bottom band is your green band. That is a buy signal. That is where price is likely. That is where you want to look for price to go to before you even think about buying. It doesn't mean you buy right away, but it's where you want price to go to. The blue band is where price will reflect to. It is your correction point. The longer the period the price has not hit this blue band, the swifter and violent the price action will be to hit it. As you can see right in here, we hit blue band here. You have this big gap of not hitting the blue band. That looks terrible on the chart. So let's reflect it. Let's repaint it with candles and we pump it up right in here. The red band is a sell zone. You never buy your stocks at all at the red zone. And if anything, you should get out ASAP because it's colored red. Warning, get out. All right, so now let me show you exactly where I traded this. I did see this right here. This blue band has not been touched in a while, so I used that in coordinates with a green band touch. It penetrated it with an extremely low K right in here. This is KDJ. The lower the K, the better. It is at 1.82. That is extreme rare conditions. And then the next day it pumped 16%, and then it pumped a little here at the high. It was about a 30% gain, making massive returns. And I flipped that to make thousands of dollars right in there. And the next day, as I can see, I've seen this before. It's usually like a 2 to 3 step stair pattern. The first step, you hit that bounce. The second is another bounce. And as you can see right in here, we hit it. And then we do another 25% gain right in there and took the gains. And then the last bounce is usually the big bounce because it's been so long we haven't touched the blue band. And this is your money shot. This is where you make the most money. And so when it gets near the band, you just take it and you accumulate, and then you get this big volume of 70% gain almost, and then another 30% gain right in here to touch this blue band to make thousands of dollars depending on how much you put into it. And that's what I call the 3-step rule. The 1 step was your bounce, second is the bounce, third step you accumulate a lot because you know you're going to hit this middle band. Because like I said earlier, it has to hit the middle band, and it will. And there was this big gap that it wanted to do it. And then so again, we go down a little. There's no trade in here. Hits the middle band. And here was the next big trade. I remember this. There was a news release, and we took this trade just because I knew they were bound to press something, and we were getting there on a low K. It was like 6. So I was like, I'm going to accumulate, and I was fine losing some. I've been so successful on this trade, but sure enough, the next day we go up a lot and make money. All right, and then again, next trade was right in here. So you get the point. This has been a very, very easy stock for this strategy. So now, where is price going to go? Because we care about the current price action, not the past necessarily. I just want to show you the past because it does work. The back testing works. This strategy really works, and it gets you a lot of money, guys. This has been a nice one. All right, so now we're at we didn't go to the green band. We went kind of low when we pumped here. This is not low enough to hit the green band. I would not take this trade. And we just hit the blue band here, but we're just like at a reflection point. We're just kind of like stuck. I do see kind of just, being boring right in here. I'm trying to look. Yeah, there's just not really a trade for me. If it went down below here to this green band, I would take it again to make it some nice money. But it could very well start hitting this red band because after a while, guys, this thing has been into the worst downward spiral I've seen in probably any stock. and it has so many reverse splits. You have reverse split 1 for 25, 1 for 9, 1 for 100. It already had 3 in the time span of less than a year, I believe, and it's just been going on forever. And a lot of people have every right to be mad about this stock. I'm not trying to say this is an excellent stock. It's just an excellent stock for the short-term movements that I get with this system. That's all I'm saying. So I am definitely going to wait for the green band, and I will alert it in my Discord for that bounce. If you guys want to see my favorite trades, this is what the Discord looks like. We have 1,000 members in here. A lot of people here that can tell you exactly how the system works. If you just need anything, I will be in here every trading day, every market day, answering questions, showing you exactly what I'm thinking, my daily thoughts. And the most important thing is I have my trade alerts. For me that has been trading full time for 6 years, you get to see exactly how I trade. And for only $6 a month, that is a very good thing because you also get a setup video. I took the time to go more in depth because not everything is this plain and simple. There's going to be certain scenarios you got to be aware of. And like I said, I gave you kind of the blue band trick. That was a little secret sauce in part of the strategy, but I talk more about that, the KDJ, and basically my settings. I show you my settings for this and how to set it all up. So you get all this for a $6 package a month. And you get, and the main thing is you get a lot of traders just like you, and nobody likes to be alone in a trade. If you're down, we have a nice accumulation rules to make you back up there to make lots of money. It's a very nice system, guys. Like I said, I got tired of blowing accounts. I got tired. My personality was to find reversals, bottom trader, get those cheap shares, sell them to the chasers, and make lots of money. And it was so hard to find that, but I finally found a system, like I said, where I can do that, and this is a great system, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to join the Discord, go down to the YouTube comments. It will be in the description, and it will say, join the premium Discord for the best trades, and these are the best trades. You won't regret it. And also, give this video a like, subscribe, comment to me what your average share price is for MULN. Any type of engagement will share this video to other retail traders just like you who desperately need to know how do you trade something like this that keeps doing reverse splits, that keeps going down. Where are you finding these little patterns where it does these random 100% runners? And that's what you want to look for penny stocks, because we all know penny stocks are garbage. They're scams. They're just not worth investing into. Very few are. And a lot of times you get these downward spirals like this, and you want to make sure you get the money and increase your account by a lot. And that's what these pennies can do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the Discord, and have a wonderful evening and happy trading. Let's make some money together.